Okay, well, hello everyone. We, as you can hear, maybe, are here for the second round of the Sunshine Coast Motorsports race. And we are in the new car. We're not in the crappy Ford. The Ford broke down after the last race. Anyway, we're here for the first race in the A111. She's running pretty sweet. Done a few little mods and stuff that you haven't seen yet because I haven't posted that video. As you can see, she is pretty miserable out today. It's raining. Everything's wet. It's not great. We've just done a siding lap. You can hear the cars going now. So I know the track layout. I actually don't mind. The track layout's really good. But yeah, she's not great conditions, and this car doesn't have the best wet condition tires, so this could be interesting. Although she does perform really well, she sticks to the ground like nothing else, so hopefully we are all good. We shall see though. I will see you on the first run. Scuffed mounting. I just have the GoPro to mount on here, and that's just literally a GoPro head strap mount attached to my headrest. It's unbelievably scuffed, but I think it'll work relatively well considering I don't want to put my whole rig like I have in the Ford. I had a whole like tripod that was attached to the back of the seat, so I don't really want to do that in this car. Plus the tripod's broken. So yeah, we'll see how she goes. Okie dokes, let's hope this camera angle's good. There is literally 7 Subaru Imprezas behind me, my god. Not a bad run. Still didn't stop box though. Not a bad run. She is definitely super slippy, like crazy amounts of slip. Okay, well apart from stalling at the stop box, pretty good run. Although I must admit, it is crazy slippy out there, like insane. Okies but okies in. I fricked up my timing, so I'm late, but oh well. And I am gonna try to hit second because I was doing first that entire run and it wasn't bad, but we're hitting almost red line just as we were coming up this main straight here. So I think I'm gonna hit her into second just as we come off the mark, and she should be sweet. While testing, I've got to make up 5.5 seconds to get podium at the moment, so need some beans. And we need to remember to put the clutch in when we stop at the stop box, because I didn't put my clutch in last time, and stalled it because of course I did. Second gear was good. She is definitely pretty loose. This car is 17, stock it had 14, so she doesn't love the handling at the moment. Big wheels are a bit chunky, but hey, she's not bad. I want to put 15s at some point. I want to put some 15s, some meaty tyres on it. That'll help the handling and acceleration quite a bit. But we got what we got for the time being, and the 17s, they're not great for this, to be fair. I would rather a set of 15s or even 16s, to be honest, but yeah, we got what we got. The 17s definitely feel pretty squirmy though, so it is what it is. Second gear though is definitely better, so we'll stick with second. Okay, so had a lunch break. It started pissing down rain, but all lunch break, we are back into it. She is still quite wet. Actually, she's even wetter now, so could be interesting. I'm going to try and work on my launches a little bit because I'm slow off the mark. So, but yeah, she's quite wet out there. The rain stopped now, which is good, but it did piss down, so she's quite wet. I did a run just before with mum in, and I can't have the GoPro set up because it's on the passenger seat. But I did a fastest run. I did like a 59.6 or something, which puts me about 5 seconds off first place or third place or podium or something, I forget. But we have a chance at doing well. Sure if I stopped in the stop box then. I guess we will find out. Felt a little bit quicker off the mark, but she's definitely quite slippy out, so it wasn't a great run. Definitely could have been a little bit better, but didn't feel the worst, I guess. Although we really need a set of bloody 15s on this. These 17s are not happy. So we'll see. I've been looking around, but they're quite expensive to get what I want, because I want like some silver stuff to make it actually look cool. So we will see what I can get. Hopefully something soon, because I would really like to get some new wheels on this car.
Thoughts of you in my mind. I wonder all the time, when will I see you again? I wanna run away to you. Run away to you.
Okie dokie, it's freaking pissing down again. Of course it is. Although, last run was the fastest run once again. I did a better launch, and it was good. I thought I missed the stop at the end, but apparently I didn't, so frick yeah. So this time, good launch again. I didn't feel great on the last run, so touch it up, do better, and then actually stop more in the stop box. Apparently I did stop in the stop box, I'll take it, but it didn't feel like I did. Yeah, I guess see how she goes. It's gonna be quite wet though, so probably is gonna be more sketchy. It's like 1 o'clock now, so that clock's I think wrong. But yeah, it's 1 o'clock, we might get another 2 runs in after this. But yeah, as you can see, weather isn't very good. She just started raining even more as I'm second in line. Frick yes. This gonna be sketchy. Oh, it is really coming down now. I will probably have to take this one a bit chill, which is annoying because I was feeling good, but yeah, this is gonna be a chiller. Oh, I hate that corner this way. I don't think I hit a cone, thank God. I don't know how to feel about that one. It felt quick, but we also almost lost it. But yeah, I guess we'll see. Well, I hope that was a fast run. It felt quick, although sometimes feeling quick is not actually quick, because you can feel quick sometimes and then it be slow because you were aggressive. So see what happens with that one. Although my freaking car is fogging up, brother. Well, I fricked up my time again and I'm late. But that means you won't really be able to see it because it's over there. But you got the freaking little buggy thing in front of me, which could very well be too loud for this race. So that'll be fun to watch. Bro, that thing's freaking loud. Hold up, let's see if we get sideways on this. Oh yeah, there we go. That thing is freaking mental. Holy. That's a tough act to follow. Wide enough. Great. Oh, I went too wide. That's how I start every single time I finish a run. Which is a very exaggerated that. Yeah, I don't know. She's I feel like she's losing grip each run. Following friggin' that thing is a goddamn tough act. That thing rips, but I didn't feel too bad, I guess. It could have been worse. Oh, I gotta get a freaking video of this Corolta in front of me. He's just be sliding everywhere. I'm 90% sure it's set up as a drift rig, not a track rig. I will have a montage at some point, you'll see that. I have my defogging stuff on and everything, and she's still fogged up. I don't have my windows down anymore because it's bloody pissing down outside. And I got a learner driver in front of me, so that's good to see the learners out. I was that person, like literally my last race I was a learner, so it's good to see the learners out. I am fogging up like crazy. If this is a faster run, I will be insanely surprised. Better line. Oh my god, so much water. Oh, that was a hole. That's a very large hole, in fact. Everywhere. I don't know if that was in. Didn't feel like it was in. Could have been. But oh my god, I hit a massive pothole on that run. Like a huge pothole. Everyone's backing up for the day. That is a very fair idea. It is pretty crap. I don't know why I'm parking over here because it's like boggy as frick. But oh well. Okay. Well, yeah, she's wet. Okay, so we have now, as you can see, because it is not very dark outside, we have now made it back, and it's the next day. I've just checked the car, checked all over, make sure she's running all good, and she has survived, not a problem, which honestly, I expected that. It was in a massively difficult race on the car. The Ford survived it well, so that's generally a pretty good sign. If the Ford can survive it, this thing probably can. But yeah, in terms of my performance, I mean, I did okay. I think I finished like second or third last, maybe. I was like 0.02 or something off beating the Lotus that was a few cars in front of me. So close, which would have been so cool. But yeah, she survived it pretty well. The wet was a bit sketchy, and these wheels, they're not great. The 17s are way too big, so I am on the hunt for some 15s, preferably like 15x7 or 15x8, to chuck on here with some nice sort of media tires to get that look that I really like for these cars. I like the smaller wheel look on most cars. Aside from that though, she felt pretty good. I'm pretty happy with how it was. It was my first race with the A111, so I mean, for not finishing dead last and only being, I think, 4 or 5 seconds, maybe 6 seconds off first place in my class, that's not bad, I have to say. Probably not a whole ton of montaging, and there's probably just a lot of runs in the car. Speak of which, sorry about the bumpy footage. I have a crappy setup, although I'm hopefully going to fix that camera mount before the next race. But yeah, with that being said, that is where I'm going to leave this off. So I hope you guys did enjoy. If you liked this video, go check out the last time I did the race, which was in the Ford over at Lakeside. And with that being said, I'll see you all in the next one.